think at this point, the only thing that when you're sharing social media, anyway, they are using Queen Mother's words, picking it frame by frame against her. Ṣé ti wo analysis tí Ṣọlá pé ṣe yẹn? Ṣé ti wo abẹ́ ti wo? Let me tell you one thing that is happening. They are manipulating. There are things that happen. Nígbà tí Mohbad kú, that doesn't change. Which has literally nothing to do with Iyabo. Iyabo is talking out of the same video. This video. I told you we need a critical analysis on this matter. Ever the kind of people in my upper hand. I'm still looking for how I'm going to do it. I will start from day one. Be watching so she fair analyze and go me she analyze and say. I will start from day one. I don't have any beef with you, but the truth has to be said. Everything Iyabo said is coming after Mohbad died. It's all coming after Mohbad shaking, after Mohbad died. Everything she said was not anything that led to Mohbad's fight. It was all coming after Mohbad's fight. The things we did not know that she heard after the boy died. Ṣé Iyabo ekuku mo Queen Mother now? Tẹ́ bá gba gbogbo nǹkan ẹgbà ilé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé Iyabo máa mọ̀ pé wọ́n na Mohbad bẹ́yẹn kò ní jáde. Iyabo tá mọ̀. Ṣó máa mọ̀ pé ọmọkùnrin yẹn ń jẹ ìyà bẹ́yẹn kò ti ní jáde láti wá sọ pé ó fẹ́ pọ́nmọ ní ṣé kíní kan ní you know Iyabo now. Ẹ gbàgbé ẹ mọ̀ Iyabo. Kí lọmọdé ṣe fún ẹ ó ti máa jáde ó ti máa pariwo síta. Everything she was saying was after Mohbad died. That's the same way she learned about it. No, ni gbogbo wa ṣe learn. There were so many videos. And Lizzie is speaking it frame by frame. As if anyway, Iyabo knows something. She didn't know anything. She saw the video. Everything she was doing. Àwa náà la pariwo. The discourse náà wà ńbẹ̀. Ìgbà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ìgbà yẹn about Malians. Nobody responded. Ṣé nǹkan tí Naira ṣe fún DJ Splash? Òun náà ló ń ṣe fún. Tí DJ Splash pariwo ń gbà yẹn, tí kárí àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ mí. Ṣé kìí ṣe pé nǹkan náà tó ṣe fún Mohbad pẹ̀lú gbogbo fídíò tá a ti rí? Iyabo did not do anything wrong. Don't let us forget that. Àwa náà la pariwo ìgbà tó pé ṣé mo pé tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ a máa mú lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn pé She wasn't saying it out of, because Naira Marley sínú. Is it not what was given on social media that she's talking about? Because what has she said in everything she's saying that is different from the things we are saying on social media? Ṣé bí ẹ̀yin Nigerians bẹ́ ṣe máa ń turn on somebody tó lẹ́wọ̀n ṣe sọ pé ẹ wo ìyà tó ń jẹ yín yẹn ó yẹ kó jẹ yín pẹ́ ní kò yẹ kó anybody save yín ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa pariwo tó má dẹ̀ tí wá ẹ̀yin tó save yín how many celebrity lẹ́ rí ńgbà yẹn ara nǹkan táwọn celebrity ò kì í fi ń dá sí nìyẹn tí nǹkan bá ṣe yín tẹ̀ ń ké wọn ò ní rán yín iṣẹ́ because tó bá tún dá yín lóhùn ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́ tún máa jáde nǹkan báyìí ẹ wo nǹkan tí DJ Splash ṣe later ìwọ tó ń sọ nǹkan kan fún yàn wípé orí Festus you put that idea in Queen Mother said the same only person that came out when Nigeria was saying àìdébẹ̀ bó ṣe máa lọ nìyẹn kò sẹ́nibody tó máa rán iṣẹ́ she left what she's doing ṣé olùgbé kò níṣẹ́ ni she came around that okay when Nigerians see me there torí kò sí ó lè tán life ẹ kó sọ pé Nigeria this is me they will not answer you kí ló kàn wọ́n. When Nigerians see you there when they saw Queen Mother okay Queen Mother is there she has the credibility she has the integrity okay Queen Mother nǹkan tó wá ti sọ la máa gbọ́ because we know this woman ó máa ń jà fún ọmọ ìlú ni ó máa ń ṣe kíní kan whatever it is she says we are going to listen. And you went ahead. You told her what you saw. Nǹkan tó ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, okay, Mohbad ló ń bá bọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tó dé bá. And you lied about it. Wọ́n ní Ṣọlápé wọ́n analyze. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí Ṣọlápé ń sọ. Ẹ wá ń try láti di gbogbo nǹkan tó ọmọbìnrin yóò ṣe wípé okay o. When he's, standing up for somebody, for people, where is it a crime? Because I don't understand. This boy has spied. We all saw the video of him screaming and crying and saying, Tiba ku o, Naira lo pa mi o, Tiba shekini. Nobody knew he was going through a lot until after he died. Then the video resurfaced. And she's talking based on the video that resurfaced. What has she done that is wrong? The way you people turn on people in this world is scary. I swear to God. What has she done? Is the oppressed she used to fight for. But you people, you will stand with the oppressor. Even the Mr. Integrity that you know, look at him standing with the oppressor. It's the whole world that cancelled Naira Marley. It wasn't Iyabo that told them to cancel Naira Marley. Even this VDM, didn't you hear what this VDM said? It's so shameful. Ojúgbà mi ti pé, Ọlọ́run. Look at VDM talking from both sides of the world. You that said, I want to destroy one. They have caused the you want to see that they wait a minute. Sure, but well till today, VDM did not address where they were beating Mohbad. Has he done any video concerning that? Where Sam Larry was beating Mohbad, where Kinikon was shaking. He has never addressed. He's just focusing on the royalty. How can Wunmi collect the money in Owolondun? Men. Àti bàbá Mohbad arúgbó ọjọ́, àti VDM tí ò fapá ṣiṣẹ́ rí. They are fighting for what is supposed to belong to a woman. What is supposed to belong to a woman and a child. Only one of them kó royalty yẹn fún Mohbad nígbà yẹn. Ta ló máa fi tọ́jú? Ṣé kì í ṣe ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ náà ni? Men tọ́n lè fapá ṣiṣẹ́, ẹwà àwọn ọkùnrin tọ́n lè ṣiṣẹ́. Wùmí òun ṣiṣẹ́ o. Ojoojúmọ́ láàrin lórí TikTok tó sọ pé wá bá mi wá rárun, ẹ wá bá mi rárun. Liam máa jẹun. Wùmí òun, obìnrin tẹ́ ń bá jà, ojoojúmọ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí TikTok. Baba Mohbad from interview gan mélòó gan ni Wùmí ṣe. From interview to interview to interview to interview. From donation to donation to donation to donation. Dick activist had never worked before in his life. Baba Mohbad is a failed father. That he failed himself, he failed his children. All of these people are fighting because they don't want a woman to have access to money. Royalty. See men that are supposed to go and work. They gave VDM NGO money. He squandered everything. He came back. 500 million. No for ọmọkùnrin. 500 million. He squandered everything. Now, over gba 40% nínú owó yẹn tí bàbá Mohbad bá rí gbà. Ṣé rò pé lásán ló ń ṣe ni? He's fighting for his pocket because ethical that won't mean more. And he's going to make his money either way or the other. He's inserting himself into different drama. People are not listening. They are not interested anymore. Blogs are not posting him anymore. I am bigger, Loton. Nobody sending Papa anymore. Because they see everybody they've seen him for who he truly is. He's a manipulator. He hates women. Because women are creation. He hates women. And he's the same person that is talking about what his own mama went through. what his own mama went through is the same person that he's talking about. Think. Ẹ má kàn wo gbogbo fídíò ẹ̀mú yìí ràn. Ẹ wo gbogbo ẹ̀. Wùmí tẹ̀ ń bájà. Ojoojúmọ́ ó ti ń ta ṣọ́nsìn, ó ń ta arun, ó ń ta gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó mú eré, ó mélèmélè, ó ń jámájàmá. Àwọn tó ń bájà, iṣẹ́ kí ni wọ́n ń ṣe? Ibẹ̀ lẹ ti máa mọ̀ pé this is not about ikú wo ló pa Mohbad, because ikú tó pa Mohbad, it has, number one, she has talked about it. The nurse came, he injected him, he was reacting to injection, and before we rushed him to the hospital, he pied. We didn't even know that he has pied until when we got to the hospital. She has said it over and over. Ẹ lọ wo CTC yẹn. Ẹ lọ wo CTC yẹn now. That is by the way. The DNA, she has given you people approval. Oh yeah, ẹ lọ ṣe. Ojoojúmọ́ ni bàbá Mohbad ń jà. Court sọ pé bàbá Mohbad ẹ lọ ṣe ní Nigeria hospital. Ẹ gba gbogbo letter tẹ́ wá fi ṣe náà. Ẹ mú hospital tó bá wù yín Nigeria. Ẹ lọ ṣe DNA pẹ̀lú Liam. Bàbá Mohbad sọ pé rọ́ òun ò fẹ́ yẹn. Òun ò trust gbogbo hospital tó wà Nigeria. Ó yá ẹ lọ develop country kó ní kálukú lọ ṣe DNA. Bàbá Mohbad tún lọ ń tọpinpin. Ṣé bí bàbá Mohbad ṣe lọ tọpinpin àwọn Wùmí wípé hospital tí wọn ò dá, ṣáwọn Wùmí tọpinpin bàbá Mohbad bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé wọ́n tọpinpin hospital bàbá Mohbad bẹ́ẹ̀? Okay, ṣe bí hospital tí yín ló dá. Why can't you go ahead and do it in your hospital that is good? Everybody is screaming. Wùmí did not want to do DNA. What else? Ṣe bí they have given you people approval to go and do your own DNA. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tọpinpin ti court. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tọpinpin ti bàbá Mohbad. Tí yín tẹ̀ dẹ̀ sọ pé ó da hospital tí yín tó dá. Kí ló dé tẹ̀ go ahead kẹ́ lọ ṣe hospital tí yín? Kì tún ṣe Nigeria hospital, abroad hospital ni. Mo rí ní comment kan téèyàn kan sọ pé why is Nigerian government do, because you see, let me tell you one thing. Nigerian government don't interfere in things like this. They have bigger fish to fry. Ben, there's a lot going in. This case is in court. Why are they running to social media to be bullying women? Come on, they're very dark goat. Sharing gbogbo evidence tó ń gather. Ẹ rí pé ọmọ yẹn quiet ni. Ó wo gbogbo wọn. This matter, they in court. Why are you killing? Okay, killing fans. Kí ló fẹ́ fi ṣe? The matter they in court. If you know that there's something that is wrong, you go to court now. They don't have any facts. They don't have any evidence. They are just blabbing and can you come out so raw? Shemo, just creating content. Ọ̀rọ̀ lásán is cheap. Talk is cheap. Wọ́n ní Òdùmọ́dù black àti iṣẹ́ black bones ní mi morúkọ bọ̀bọ́ yẹn pé tó ń jà ẹ̀ wọ́n ní fídíò máa ti máa wọ́nà láti yìn sáàtì ara ẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀. It's just a content creator. It's not okay. What is the talent that mo pé video ní tó sọ pé it's bigger than all the celebrity combined together? Kò lè kọrin, kò lè jó, kò níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, kò kàwé. It's not intelligent. He's not a law student. He's not a doctor. He's not a security. He's not a plumber. He's not a mechanic. What can he do? You go lọ sí gym, kó máa gbé weight. Èèyàn tí ò níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ló ń lọ gym. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àwọn kan wá tó ti lọ síbi iṣẹ́ látàárọ̀. Tó máa dé lálẹ́, ẹ máa ní àwọn young boys ìlú yìí bí irin torí pé kò síṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn ni. Àwọn kan wá tó wà nílé wọn ti lọ sí iṣẹ́ ọ́fíìsì náà ti máa gym. Iṣẹ́ wo ni òpònú yìí ṣe? Àwọn ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ look at this idiot that is saying that is bigger than èèyàn tá a dáwó fún. Ṣókòwò yẹn jọrí láyé ẹ̀ 3 years ago kọ́ la dáwó fún. Owó òun ti tán within 3 years. Ó tún sọ pé ká wá dà mí. VDM donation. How market? Ó ní àwọn ọmọ kìíní you have failed. Kì í ṣe pé kìíní o. Kì í ṣe pé you have failed. nínú NGO money ẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀ ń gbálẹ̀ ẹ̀ lọ ń háyà mọ́tò tó máa fi máa bá yín kólẹ̀. Kí ló dé tó lè yọnu NGO yẹn kí ẹ fi ra mọ́tò? Èló náà ń ta mọ́tò? Small baby truck tẹ máa fi páàkì ìdọ̀tí tẹ bá kó. Wọ́n ní 800,000 ní truck yẹn ń gbà per trip tẹ fi ń kó dọ̀tí. 800,000 ẹ̀ lè ní, ọ̀gá yín ò lè ní. Á dẹ̀ máa sọ pé I'm richer than kìnní kan and nobody is compared to me. Ojoojúmọ́ bragging lórí irọ́. Tó bá fẹ́ brag, you will make it by yourself. Ẹ wo Aṣakáìn. Tí Aṣakáìn gan tó ń fi owó ara ẹ̀ ni o, tó fi ń help àwọn ọmọ ní school. Òun kò jáde kó máa brag. Aṣakáìn tó ń fi owó ara ẹ̀ tó fi ń help àwọn ọmọ ní school. It's not bragging. VDM that has never make anything. So make it 10 million naira rí. Tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ẹ̀ donation. Òun ló ń brag pé is bigger than kini. No education. It's not intelligent. He's looking for a way to always insert himself in everything that is going on in Nigeria. Before kó tó jẹun, kó tó make it. You see Davido insert himself in any issue in Nigeria. Davido is one of the richest of his kind in Africa. One of the richest. As Davido, have you ever heard Davido say, I get money past every celebrity? Omo baba olowo, his brother is a governor, his daddy is a billionaire, he too is a successful billionaire in music. Everything dey that family. What do you look for? Have you ever seen Davido say, I get money past everybody, I'm the shaking it? He just live his life. In fact, he's even more humble than any other celebrity. But ọmọ tí ò jẹ́ nǹkan kan, ọmọ ní pátá kan ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì méjì. Tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ rí. Gbogbo àwọn tó lọ ń drag yẹn, ṣebí iṣẹ́ wọn náà ṣe. If you let this happen to Iyabo, tí nǹkan kan bá ṣe yín, anybody tó máa bá yín dá sí o. These are the reasons why celebrity don't speak for anybody. Because as they were saying, ó lè wọ́n lè máa dálé. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò bá yín dá sí nǹkan kan, àwọn ò bá yín dá. Eléyìí tó bá yín dá sí, kí lẹ ṣe fún? Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ deserve ẹ̀ náà. Tara wọn náà mọ̀. Eléyìí tí ò mọ tara ẹ̀ tó bá yín dá sí. Gbogbo ìjà tí Iyabo Ojo jà, ṣé ìjà ara ẹ̀ ni? Àbó ní ìdí anything. Àbó ní nǹkan tẹ́ gbé. One useless boy. Wọ́n jáde, wọ́n máa ṣe láù. Just imagine. Just imagine. Ẹ wo nǹkan kí nǹkan tí Lizzy bá ti sọ, ẹ má dá lóhùn. Ẹ má dá lóhùn. Ara ló ń ta. Ara ló ń ta ni pé ibi tó wọ express kan ti bá Iyabo pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ṣètò. How many years láti wá? Over 6 years ago. Ní Lizzy ti ń kígbe. Ta ni tí ẹ ń bá rojú ẹ̀ ní fídíò tó ṣe last. Fúnra ẹ̀ ní sinmi. Ó ní ẹni tó ń wò ṣẹ́jú akọni. Ó máa pẹ́ létí omi. Ẹni tó ń wò ṣẹ́jú akọni. Ó máa ṣe kí ni? Ó ń pẹ́ létí omi. It is well. Ṣé orí pín ìwọ̀n dà? Wo, nothing do you. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Number 1. Jẹ́ ká yí wọ́n bàjẹ́. Not for anybody that's anything. They love suffering and smiling. They love it. bàbá wọn dá sẹ́ni tì mọ́ èèyàn títí ẹ bá fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni kó bàjẹ́ ó torí tí wọ́n wálé ayé. And we are sure nobody is going one thing tó gara we dey behind you gidigba. Orí ọmọbìnrin yẹn dẹ̀ gbóná náà ẹ rí ni ẹ wo VDM is going down. Ó wá kú, do you want to go down with him? Ẹ rí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ti ṣe wọ́n ti rẹ̀ sí kúrò lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. He's going down. Do you want to go down with him? Gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ sí kò mú evidence ẹ̀ ọkàn jáde. Evidence pé Bùnmi ló pa Mohbad kò ní. Evidence pé DNA kì í ṣe ọmọ Mohbad kò ní. But now he's talking with sentiment as a person tó máa ń ru evidence sórí. Bí ìwé yẹn ṣe pọ̀ tó nǹkan méjì tí gbogbo public ń dúró dè ó rí fún wa. Èwo ni wọ́n ń ṣe justice for Mohbad lórí fún wa lórí bàbá Mohbad o. All you are screaming is that you don't want this Baba Mohbad that did an interview that said he paid the price of Wunmi is the same man telling us, is the same person you are telling us that is girlfriend of Mohbad. No, it should be that. These are men that don't want women to have anything. Obìnrin tó bá látọ̀ ẹ̀ fún bíjẹ́ ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́. You are cursed. Because if he can be treating, it's always all these you pick me bitches. If you can be treating a woman like that, mọ̀ pé tó bá fẹ́, tó bá dọjọ́ ọ̀la, you are getting nothing in return. Kò ní fún ẹ ní nǹkan kan. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ní family àtìjẹ́ ẹ̀ ló máa fún. It go shock you. These are men that believe that women is supposed not to have anything in life. Táwọn bá tiẹ̀ kú, kóbìnrin yẹn ṣá máa jẹ ìyà lọ ni. They are broken men from a broken mother. Ìgbà tí VDM tí Iyabo pé yẹ pé animal ló bí. Ṣé wọ́n parọ́ ni? Kò máa wù àbí ẹranko. I think that tọkọ èèyàn bá ti kú. Okay, ẹni sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ àwọn kìíní in this form. Bí Mohbad ṣe kú, kí ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ kọ́ ti ní nǹkan tó máa jẹ tó máa fi kú. Kí ni Wùmí fẹ́ lọ rì màrí fún? Kí lẹ rò pé ó máa ń jẹ́ kóbìnrin lọ rì màrí? Tẹ́mọ̀ sọ pé single mother ẹ wo Naomi show yẹn. Àwọn rẹ́kìn Naomi yẹn tó ń gbé single mother wá. Kí lobìnrin rì màrí fún tí ó máa ṣe pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ wọ́n lè dá gbọ́ bùkátà. Bó tó bá ti lè ṣe ìyàwó ẹ̀ jiná, ó ti kọ́lé fún, ó ti ní business tó ti ṣí fún, ó ti ralẹ̀ fún, ó ti ní oríṣiríṣi nǹkan, wò ó ti ẹni ó forúkọ ẹ̀ sí, tó bá kú tán kò lè kí ló fẹ́ fọkùnrin ṣe. Kò tí ì yé yín débẹ̀. Kí ló fẹ́ fọkùnrin? Ẹ wo Wùmí, ẹ wo bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe ń faṣẹ́ tó ń faṣẹ́ lọ́sàn-án faṣẹ́ náà tó ń tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀ olórí burúkú tí ò ní nǹkan kan tó ti gbé ṣe ní ayé. Ó wá sọ pé tọmọ yẹn bá kú ńkọ́ Wùmí máa walk away. Let her walk away now. Ṣebí is her husband. Ṣebí owó ọkọ ẹ̀ ní ṣé owó dádì ẹ̀ ni ìwọ ṣiṣẹ́ fowó rí ni. Olóṣì tó fẹ́ gba 40%. Ìwọ ṣiṣẹ́ fowó rí ni. Mohbad did not work. Èèyàn kì í ṣiṣẹ́ fún àwọn parents ẹ̀. Èèyàn máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún future ẹ̀ ni. He has already started building his future. So are his friends. Ẹ wo Bella Shmurda, ṣùgbọ́n náà ti níyàwó ti bímọ. Ẹ wo Zatawọn náà ti níyàwó tó ti bímọ. How can you call somebody like that? They are still children. Are you mad? Just imagine. Bella ò ti níyàwó kó ti bímọ ni. They are raising their children young. They are all growing up. Ó ga o. Ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin, òun lẹ ti ń rí yìí o. Tó bá fi nǹkan lẹ̀ tíyàwó ẹ̀ máa jẹ. This is how they will treat your wife and your children. Tó bá kú tán. Make sure everything you have goes to your... Àjẹ́bẹ́ àwọn family máa ń ná yàmàyàmà ni. Ẹ rí wọn ní kán lọ máa kó royalty Mohbad fún blessing ẹ̀gbọ́n Mohbad tó ti wà ní. Obìnrin ni blessing yẹn ó ti bímọ sílé ọkọ ó ti wà ní ọkọ tiẹ̀. So Mohbad ṣiṣẹ́ ilé ayé ẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ tí Mohbad ò bá make ẹ̀ ńkọ́ kí ló fẹ́ pé fún blessing àti bàbá Mohbad. Tó bá yẹ pé ọ̀tá àdúrà ló kú ńkọ́ ṣé a máa rí VDM alọ́ba VDM tó máa jáde tó sọ pé òun fẹ́ fight for royalty. Just imagine. Ibi téèyàn gbà wá ó wà important o. Ẹ dẹ̀ make sure pé you give what your wife can eat, you give it to them. Àjẹ́bẹ́ tó bá kú tán tó bá ṣe dáadáa. Nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Àwọn family máa kó gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ná. ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló mọ bó ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ náà, ló mọ gbogbo sacrifice tó make náà. Àná dànù làwọn family ẹ máa ná wọn ní rántí àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Ẹ máa sá, ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ máa sá lọ bá family, ẹ máa sá lọ. Wọ́n sọ pé ìyàwó yín kú tán, ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ rì màrí, kí lọmọ lọ́mọ máa jẹ ìgbà tó yẹ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ní àwọn family ẹ ti gbà tán ìgbà tó kú. Ó jẹ family anything kó ní kálukú lọ wá ṣẹṣẹ. Everything you are working for is for your wife and for your children. Mohbad has a son and he has a wife. He was working for them because if he was alive and the money has been given to him, he will shake it. He will have spent it on his wife and his children. Ó máa fún bàbá, of course, but eléyìí tó máa ná fún ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa pọ̀ jù now. That is his family. Mo bí jẹun tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ owó rí, tí ò ní family rí, tí ò ní bàbá tó dáa, tí bàbá ẹ̀ kọ́ ìyá ẹ̀ tó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, ní wọ́n á jáde tó ń sọ pé the son died, they will have given her the money to Wunmi, and so no be ìyàwó ọkọ ẹ̀ kan ni, let her spend it. Ìbí nǹkan ọkọ ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé ìwọ ló fẹ́ fún Wunmi lówó ni? Or what are you insinuating? Kọ́ máa kó fún torí Wunmi lè sálọ kó sálọ ṣe bó wọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ ni. Kí lè kọ́ máa ń fobìnrin pè náà? Just imagine. Kí lè máa ń fobìnrin pè náà? Mohbad wants a woman that will sit at home and be doing everything for her. He got a woman that sit at home. Still no, it's not enough. He even got a fail. I don't know. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré sọ̀rọ̀ àti Nurat. Máa ti Nurat. Gẹ́ẹ̀tì mú ẹ̀rẹ́ wọn lẹ́yìn. Tọ́wọ́n tí mú ẹ̀rẹ́ wọn lẹ́yìn lórí Facebook kan bí ó lásìdẹ̀ǹtì ní ọlọ́run mọ́. First thing first. Warriors ṣe gẹ́. Kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ deny warriors tó. Warriors ni. One thing tá mọ̀ pa warriors ni pé wọ́n máa ń kóra wọn jọ bí ìjà lọ ni. O ò lè lọ sáàárín warriors tó gbà kí n ṣe warriors. Ṣé ti understand? Wọ́n máa ń kóra wọn jọ. Báwo ló ṣe ní ẹ? Ó fẹ́ lọ rẹ́ṣọ̀ fún client ẹ irọ́ ni. She's the warriors. Mo rí ibi tó ti ń búlì ẹ̀. Ìtẹ̀wà lórí Facebook ẹ̀ dà. Mo kọ̀ rẹ́rìn ìjọ yẹn ni. Ẹ búlì ẹ̀ tún búlì ẹ̀ rẹ̀ fi bú ara bú. Ṣé rí first invest? Ṣé rí? Ẹ wò Ṣọlá pé ní kẹ́ ẹ kọjú sí. Àwọn eléyìí ọjọ́ 2K ọjọ́ 5K náà bá wá so you are not even on the same level with them. These warriors tí Ṣọlá pé ń kó kiri, they are illiterate, they are poor, they are broke, they have no life, they have no family, they've never traveled before. Wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tá a máa sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹni. Take for example, ẹ wo eléyìí tó rí báńkù tó sọ pé ó ní ikùn lóbò yẹn àbí kí náà. You will know that these people, they don't have life. They never have life. They are just there because Lizzy, okay, just like you said, they know that they cannot reach Iyabo. But since Lizzy kówèrè journey, Lizzy will accept Jack and Jill. But dẹ̀ ṣe wà ẹ́ náà kò trust wọn náà torí ó mọ̀ pé Lizzy bá rẹ̀ mọ̀ pé broke people wọn ò rí ilé ayé wá. So she herself did not trust them. You know? She herself did not she did not trust them. Ó mọ̀ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn torí owó náà ṣe wà ń bẹ́ sóde. Èèyàn tó bá ti jẹ́ pé torí owó, torí nǹkan tó ń rí gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló ṣe fẹ́ràn ẹ̀. He can betray you at any time. But ó dáa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pẹ́ mi ẹ̀gbọ́n náà. Ọmọ sọ̀nù kó gbogbo bọ́yẹ. You cannot just go into the midst of warriors if you are not part of them. But tí tó bá ti tójú yín tílẹ̀ bá ti wá mọ́ bá yín, the next thing tẹ́ máa ṣe. Sínú group o, I love this person, irọ́ ni. But nǹkan tẹ̀mí fẹ́ yẹ kẹ́ ṣe ni pé ẹ tú okùn lọ́rùn ẹ̀. Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n ẹjọ́ ẹ fi ilẹ̀ ẹ ṣáà rí bọ́lọ̀ ń ṣe dá. Ẹ ṣáà ti rí bó ṣe rí. So the little time she has, ẹ má bínú o, mi ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn o. The little thing she has ẹ ṣáà ṣe mọ̀ torí ojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni everybody wá ń sìn o. Èmi wọ́n sọ pé you know she has kids, she's like deformed like that, and 2K péré gan ni Lizzy fún, so just let's focus on Lizzy, let's leave all this pàṣíwọ̀bọ̀wọ̀ alone. They are just there because they know Lizzy ti gbé celebrity status, ó ti gbé wọlé náà. Ẹ wo àwọn olóòórùn tó kó mọ́ra, ó ti gbé celebrity status. Ẹ gbàgbé o, blogging là ń ṣe o, àwa tá à ń blog lásán ni o. Ẹlòmíì gbé dání nínú rí mọ̀mọ́ tó máa ń sunkún pé home owner ṣàṣà lèèyàn tó ń blog tí ò nílé tiẹ̀ nílùú òyìnbó. Blogging là ń ṣe o, yàtọ̀ sí yẹn oníkálukú lọ́lọ́run gbà fún un. Ṣàṣà lèèyàn tó ń blog tí ò nílé tiẹ̀ nílùú òyìnbó. Tẹ́ bá rí Iyabo pẹ̀lú blogger, àwọn tó gbé dání ni. But tẹ́ bá máa rí Lizzy pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ń tata, àwọn tó ń ṣe cleaner, you will know these people. Ó ti tán fún wọn ní ẹni ṣẹ̀mọ̀ èèyàn tó bá ti rí pé kò sí ẹwọ́rò dàbí náà kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ máa mọ̀ pé kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe, ó kò kàwé ni kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe, kò síbi tó ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, because irú èèyàn tó bá yẹ pé emotion ló máa ń clog judgment ẹ̀ kò lè rí client. Tó bá sọ pé ó ṣe psychology, you have to understand people, not join hands. Ẹ wo dàbí náà torí aṣọ, ẹ wo bí dàbí náà ṣe torí aṣọ. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé ebi pààyàn dé lóyìnbó ni. That is it now. Ẹ ti máa mọ̀ pé ebi pa àwọn ilé ìdè lóyìnbó. Tóun bá dé Nàìjíríà, ilé Lizzy ló máa dé sí. Of course, ṣé onílé tó fẹ́ dé sí ni? Àwọn parents ẹ nílé ni, ṣé ẹ nílé gidi ni? Because you want to associate. Mo sọ fún yín, when I saw Queen Mother, I did not go close to her. Because I'm even thinking pé ìwọ Ọlọ́run ọmọbìnrin pẹ̀lú gbogbo rádaràdá táwọn wèrè tó wà lọ́nà ìtọ́ ti ṣe, let me leave her. Èmi tún feel pé I still feel inferior pé am I even up to her standard? Nígbà tí mo rí pé jẹ́ kí n fi ilẹ̀. I'm not a person tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa ta ṣé mọ́yàn, ẹ máa I be like, am I even up to this woman's standard? Ojo lo kaya ni po ma di ye. That is just it. Irú àwọn Nuratu yìí, àwọn kíní, àwọn ìyọ́lọ́gì lòbó, àwọn security náà ní kíní ṣe. Ẹ wo àbí waitress, kíní Olúṣọlá ń ṣe. You will know that people that are low lifers. Mi ò sọ pé ṣé ò kì í ṣiṣẹ́ o. But when you see that àwọn àlùmájìrì tó ń tọrọ jẹ, àwọn ló so méyàn kan, ẹ ti máa mọ̀ pé olówó kan láàrin òtòṣì mẹ́fà, òtòṣì ní gbogbo wọn. That's how it feels. Oh, I swear to God. Olówó kan láàrin òtòṣì mẹ́fà ní Lizzy àtàwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé. Look at how easy it is for them to ṣe kíni, to deny her. Àwọn tó ń support Queen Mother, mélòó ló ń deny Queen Mother? Tó bá ti lè mú èèyàn kan tó ń support Lizzy jáde, tó ń drag ẹ̀ báyìí, lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀, mi ò ṣe bloggers o, mi ò sì bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n gbọ̀n báyìí ni, because they are just there for the monetary gain. They are just there because of what Lizzy can offer them. Àwọn blogger tó ń blog fún Iyabo Ojo, ta ni Iyabo Ojo gbé £1 fún rí? That is when somebody genuinely, we don't expect anything, because tílé oge tó ge jẹ, everybody wà okay by themselves. Everybody wà okay by themselves. She doesn't give anybody money. We don't ask her for money because we are doing fine. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má gbé page Nuratu lọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo mọ̀ pé ẹ ń bínú. But number one, there are some people that are low lifers in Nigeria. Ṣé ti get it? Only most of people who sort of give away not for another Lizzy. Ẹ gbàgbé. It's because of the giveaway to man for 2K, 5K. They don't have a life. They are just there because one queen or one bear. That is just it. That's why they are there. Because one shaking, one queen or one bear. So irú Nuratu Ibai, she's not a fashion designer, she's just an ordinary tailor ní Kòròdú. So if you kí ló máa jẹ tẹ́ bá gbé péjì ẹ lọ, péjì ẹ náà ló ti rí tọrọ kọ́bọ̀. Lizzy ò lè kí ẹ̀ pa wọn, that is it, she just choosing them. Ó kàn kó wọn mọ́ra pé kì í ṣe pé ẹ̀rí bó ṣe máa ń checkmate wọn. Ó kàn kó wọn mọ́ra pé kìíní kò truck ẹ wo party yẹn, ẹ wo bí distance bó ṣe, ẹ wo Queen Mother supporter, ẹ wo àwọn bloggers yẹn tó bá rí Queen Mother wọ́n máa dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn máa ya fọ́tò ni because inú everybody mọ̀ and everybody know where they are. Lizzy ò trust àwọn warriors, ẹ wo bí space ṣe wà wọn ò tẹ̀lé, ẹ wo bí tó ti ń fídíò ẹ̀ gan wọn ò jẹ́ kó súnmọ́ rárá, kò regard wọn as anything. Èèyàn tó ṣe tẹ́lọ̀ ní Kòròdú tí gbogbo mú ẹ̀ ti rẹ́pọ̀ bẹ́yẹn, even when people see her with her deformity wọn ò ní fẹ́ ṣe, wọn ò tẹ̀ ní fẹ́ gbàṣọ fún pé ọmọbìnrin ò dàbí ìwé ni Ọlọ́run dárí jù ní òfin kó ara bú o, just we call it the way it is. I'm not sentimental. Àwọn èèyàn kan ò tẹ̀ ní fẹ́ gbàṣọ fún àti ẹ̀wà mọ́bí ọmọọṣọ́ rọ̀ǹgàn wáyé pọ̀ pẹ̀lú bó ṣe wà ní fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn. Ìkòròdú ló tún wà, ọjọ́ wo ló tó fẹ́ gbé rí, ẹ tún wá fẹ́ gbé péjì ẹyọ kan tó tún fi ń bọ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má gbé lọ. Because ẹ bá gbé lọ Lizzy ò tẹ̀lé dá lóhùn, ó máa sọ pé ṣé òun ránṣẹ́ ni pé ṣé kò sí nǹkan tó gé nígbà tó wá sọ́pọ̀ tó. Àwọn ò kì í ṣe kàbí tí a wá ti ju gbogbo yẹn lọ, ọ̀gá ìyá alájà yín làwọn fèsì. Ṣọlá pé tó kó yín jọ ẹ̀yìn ẹrú rárá òun gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́ làwọn abá lọ́rọ̀. So àwọn warriors yẹn ayé wọn ti rí bó ṣe rí, so kí ló tún kù tẹ́ bá bá péjì ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbí wọ́n kó yàn wọ́n lọ lù wọ́n kó mọ́nu ṣọ́ọ̀bù Kòròdú kò lè dá. Lizzy ò ní ẹ wo ọjọ́ ti MHM ìyẹn ló ṣọ́ọ̀kì mi jù ní ayé, ọjọ́ tó ṣá MHM. Lizzy máa jókòó sórí show oníkọ́fíìsì ọmọ yẹn fight fún life ẹ̀ ní hospital, a rí bí MHM ṣe rí. Lizzy máa jókòó sórí show ní tí Lizzy sọ pé she will be fine, she will be fine. Ó lè ṣe continue show ọjọ́ yẹn kéèyàn má ní human feelings. Wọ́n ṣàǹtorí tiẹ̀ wọ́n ṣàǹtorí tiẹ̀, but this is your person. The first thing you have to do is we should, in fact máa fly ìyẹn tó bá tẹ̀tù council kìíní tó lè fò mọ́ máa dé bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ́ ọmọbìnrin ṣòwò wá òkè ẹ wò ó ló ṣòwò ọ̀tí tí ara lágbájá bá ti yá o, you know. But she doesn't care. She was still there that day. She was still preparing. Òun sọ pé wọ́n ṣàìyàn ènìyàn fight for life in the hospital. Òun sọ pé the show must go on. Come on. Tábà sọ pé MHM wà ní developed country ni Nuratu wà ní Kòròdú. Ṣé rí yàtọ̀? Ẹ wo ẹ má tẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ tiẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ pé kí làwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa jẹ. Kò dẹ̀ wọ́n ọ̀dẹ̀ lágbájá bó ṣe wà yẹn kò sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ àwọn màmá mi ẹ ṣeun o mi ò ṣe froncus o àbí báwo ló ṣe pé froncus yẹn náà. Èèyàn tí ò tẹ gbòyìnbó lásán ó ga ọ ẹ wò ẹ ṣàfi ilẹ̀ ẹ fi ilẹ̀ yọ orí àtẹnu àwọn ẹrú sí dog dàbí náà gbogbo yẹn Adébíyìnpé àtẹnujẹ ni gbogbo wọn bá dé bẹ́ẹ̀ so táwọn yẹn bá lè ṣàtẹnujẹ àwọn yẹn tó wà ní òyìnbó wọn tó káṣọ aṣọ òfòfò wọn o aṣọ òkú tó lọ bọ́ lówó lára òkú nù símẹ́tírì àwọn náà tó kó fún wọn àwọn yẹn wà ní òyìnbó ẹ wá ìmájẹ àwọn tó ń gbé ń Kòròdú yẹn àwọn warriors kí làwọn yẹn ní so that's just it jàre kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ yìí.